Okay, so this is the turkey coop, which Mike built. And we have a run so the turkeys can come out. The panels are just there to provide a shady spot so they're not in direct sun all the time. Same with the tarp. You guys having fun? Okay, so we'll go in the door. And this is the inside. They've got nice fans, some nesting boxes. So this is the back side of the chicken coop. And this is the chicken run, which we keep a top on to keep the hawks out. The chicken coop was made all with repurposed materials that we had laying around. So it's not as luxurious as the turkey coop that we built with purchased materials. Hey guys, you having fun? And we'll go in here. And we've got somebody in the nesting box. There's some of my black sex lynx and my buff girl. Hi, Buff. Hi, Buffy. Now we'll go meet the sheep and see their house. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Hi, Brownie. There's our newest addition. Hi, I know you want to scratch. You want to scratch. But I'm trying to film. And this is their barn. It's a horse barn, 2-stall horse barn. We converted one side into storage. And at night, the girls come up and we close them in the stall. The new baby's a girl as well, so they're all staying. She had 2 boy lambs last year, and we sold both of them after they grew up. And here's just some pictures. Our pasture's divided into 3. We have a small one back there, a small one here, and then the main pasture, which is bigger. We just leave everything all open for them. It's only about 3 acres here, so, but plenty for the critters that we do have. And then that's my other half shop. He's still working on getting that together.